So we have so we're back in back testing, and our back test is doing fine lately. We're gonna recap this 14th trade. Now, first, what happened in this trade was that higher time frame narrative was very bearish in higher time frame, and we have here a 4-hour BPR that has been mitigated. So after this has been mitigated, I have dropped down into lower time frame, and notice that there is a 1-hour order block here also, and we're also currently in a 2-hour bearish for value gap, and this bearish for value gap is still holding. So I'm still looking bearish prices. And this is my liquidity, sell side liquidity in lower time frame as the form of 1-hour bullish for value gap. So this trade idea happened on 3:58 a.m. London session. So first, what I saw was that there is a 15-minute fair value gap right here, 5-minute inverse fair value gap, close below this high, or close above this high. After the close above this high, I see that there's a 5-minute order block also. Now this trade, I was hesitant to take this trade because there is no market structure shift in any time frame, but 4 hours for value gap was mitigated in higher time frame, then 5-minute fair value gap was inversed, then 5-minute order block. Then after that 5-minute order block, I was hesitant to take the trade in this 5-minute order block because there is no market structure shift, as I said. But when I saw that this candle respected this 5-minute order block inside a bearish FVG, I waited for more price structure, and then it closed below this bullish for value gap, 1-minute bullish for value gap. So I entered on this retracement in this 1-minute propulsion block. So after this propulsion block, I put my stop loss above this body, and then take the low hanging fruit, which is a 2.5 RR. So that is for backtest trading, and we are up 637 USD.